Hello friends, today we are comparing Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 versus Sony Pulse 3D. First we discuss specifications. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 platform primarily designed for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 but also compatible with Xbox Series XIS and Xbox One. Wireless technology 2.4 GHz jet wireless with a USB transmitter. Drivers 50 speakers. Microphone flip to mute, adjustable and high sensitivity. Controls on-ear controls for volume and game chat balance. Sony Pulse 3D platform especially designed for PlayStation 5 with some compatibility for PlayStation 4 and PC. Wireless technology Bluetooth 5.1. Drivers dual 40 drivers. Microphone dual hidden microphones. Controls on-ear controls for volume, microphone mute and power. Battery life Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Battery life up to 15 hours on a single charge. Charging method uses USB-C for charging. Sony Pulse 3D. Battery life approximately 12 hours on a single charge. Charging method uses USB-C for charging. Sound quality Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Sound profile emphasizes bass with a strong focus on immersive game audio. Features the superhuman hearing mode for competitive advantage. Sony Pulse 3D sound profile tailored for 3D audio, providing a more immersive sound experience that aligns with the PS5 Temps 3D audio tech. Comfort and fit Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 design over-ear with a padded headband and ear cushions. Comfort generally comfortable for extended gaming sessions, but some users might find the ear cups a bit bulky. Sony Pulse 3D design over-ear with a sleek, lightweight build. Comfort known for its comfortable fit and adjustable headband, suitable for prolonged use. The ear cushions are plush and designed to enhance comfort. Active noise cancellation Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 does not have active noise cancellation, provides passive noise isolation through ear cup design. Sony Pulse 3D does not have active noise cancellation, relies on passive noise isolation and the design to reduce external noise. Which is better? Better for sound quality. Sony Pulse 3D excels with its tailored 3D audio for the PS5, providing a more immersive sound experience for games that support Temps 3D audio tech. Turtle Beach is also good, especially with its superhuman hearing mode, but it's generally more bass focused. Better for comfort. The Sony Pulse 3D is generally praised for its comfort and lightweight design, making it more suitable for longer sessions. Better battery life. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 has a slight edge with up to 15 hours of battery life compared to the Pulse 3D 12 hour. Better for active noise cancellation. Neither headset features active noise cancellation. If active noise cancellation is a priority, you might want to consider other option designed especially for that purpose.